My name's Jeanette and I am 57 years old. I live in San Diego County, and I went to Dr. Lee about 2.5 months ago because I wanted to have a lower facelift and a neck lift. I just felt I wasn't looking youthful anymore. I'm a nurse. I work in the surgery at a larger hospital here, and I've been wanting to have plastic surgery for about 3 years. I had a patient come through that was there for an appendectomy or gallbladder removal. I can't remember which one, but I looked at her age and I thought, there is no way she's 70. She looked like she was 50 years old. So when she woke up, the patient, I asked her, and she goes, she had nothing but good things to say about Dr. Lee. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna check it out. I was a little hesitant. Should I go ahead and get a facelift? That's a big change. I was really nervous. I didn't want just anybody touching my face. I had had little things done at other places, like, maybe some fillers or some Botox, but it never did what this did. And I was past the point of that. Felt really comfortable with Dr. Lee when I came into his office and I seen the work that he had done and talked with him. And the videos that he was able to show me, the before and after, what he could do for me. And it really made me feel comfortable. And I also asked about what anesthesiologist you were going to have, because I work in the field of putting people to sleep and waking them up after surgery. That's my job. I wanted to make sure I had legit doctors and people that knew what they were doing. Right when I came home, I still had my cast on my nose, and my lips looked like Angelina Jolie, and they're huge. My husband goes, "Why did you get your lips done?" I didn't get my lips done. What are you talking about? That's swelling. It was funny. I didn't realize how bad my neck was. Right after surgery, he goes, "You had one of the worst necks I've ever seen. Dr. Lee told me that." That's where most of my work was done. And then I looked at my pictures from before, and I'm like, wow, I really had it was bad. My nose was quite large, and I had broke it a couple times, so I had a very big nodule here, and he filed that down. And my nostrils were really large too, and he made that look a lot nicer. When I look in the mirror now, I'm like, oh, that's nice. It's subtle. It doesn't look like, oh my God, that girl had a facelift. It looks like, wow, you look really rested and you look really good. What are you doing? I have a jawline. You can actually see my neck, and you can see the indentations where my bone structure is. I didn't have that before. And it was really difficult, like I said, to put makeup on. Now I can put some makeup on if we're gonna go out, and I don't feel like it's sitting in all those wrinkles because they're gone. I work with nurses, so they all wanted me to take my mask off, even though we're not supposed to have it off. So I'm constantly going in the other room and taking my mask off, and they're going, oh my God, you look so good. I can't believe it. I'm very happy with it, and I'm still healing. I'm not even done. I still have a lot of swelling. It's getting so much better, and I just feel prettier. If I could say one thing to Dr. Lee is thank you. You've made me feel the confidence I have to go to work with all these 20 and 30-year-old other little hot nurses running around. I'm 57 years old, and I'm still working in my field, and I was looking like an old hag, I thought. So I feel so much better now. 10 out of 10, definitely.